Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. And today's video, here is a nice guy with me. He's also my seniors and I'm gonna interview him with some personal questions. So let's get started. Brother, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum Assalam.
How are you today?
Very great by the mercy of Almighty.
Why?
Because I always very exceptional and you think a very energetic person always.
Don't you feel energetic today?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's go to the main point.
Yes.
What's your name actually?
My name is Rajiv Pras.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rajbari.
When did you start your learning English?
I started my spoken journey at least 3 or 4 years ago.
If someone wants to learn spoken English, so how long does it take to learn it?
I think to learn any kind of skill, firstly we have to give the time. Then we practice a lot with our friends, with our other guys, and see the lots of video, and then we raise up our thinking power. When we able to think many sentence, then we practice our friend or making video or practice with AI. These things really help any kind of person to be a fluent speaker and a great speaker.
Oh, that's an interesting answer. By the way, how long do you practice every day?
I practice especially every day 3 or 4 hours at the beginning of the day, especially early in the morning.
So you were so energetic and also hardworking person, right?
Yes, absolutely. Because today's competitive world, you have to very energetic and practical man to compete with the others people this global age. Yes, without being energetic or competitive person, it is impossible for you to make you perfect or exceptional than other person.
I'm getting so many amazing and wonderful answers from you. So for this video, this is the last question for you.
Yes.
How many words do you know around English? You're gonna be honest here.
Yes, to be the linguistic of in our as a student of English department, I think a man he should have 5 or 6,000 minimum vocabulary to maintain his general activities or his taking or speaking. So if you be a very advanced speaker, at least he know about 10 or 15,000 words.
Do you think what matters for speaking?
Yes, because you know the word is the heart of a sentence. So if you maintain your connection or speaking or discuss, you have to know the vocabulary or noun, pronoun, adjective or others kind of words.
Well, it was a great interview with you, man. So
Yes.
thank you for giving your time.
Thank you.
And thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope guys you enjoy this video a lot. If so, then like, comment and share. And see you in the next time. Bye bye.